Happy Chinese New Year, everyone!
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Brockholes and such an interesting place. We are going to see everything that is here. It's going to be so pretty, exciting. As you can see, we've already started moving and we can see these iron shapes cut out.
I'm sorry if you can't hear me clearly. It's because it's very windy there at Brockholes. Here you can see lots of exciting things. It's just a normal walk, but to me it feels so nice. I get to talk with my family. It's so nice there. Find your way around. It's a very long walk. There are so many twists, turns. There are so many ways you can go, but we went just one path at a time. And it actually takes one whole day to do the whole round. It takes very long, and on some days, like there's also bird watching, so you can do bird watching any day you want to come here. And on half terms, you can come here, and if you have a phone, they have a little app you can install, and then it's like a friendly app, and it's very nice app. They told us everything about this place, so we already know about the place. And if you want to know more about this place, tell us in the comments and we will reply. And I almost forgot, this is actually a kids friendly play area. So don't worry if you think it is not friendly for kids. It is friendly for kids any age, toddlers also. And there's actually a wooden play area that I will show you at the very last of the video. And it's super fun. There's a super fun ride that I want to go on. It's so much and I still want to go on it. And now I can show you all the things that are inside the little room that we were in before we went through everything else. Actually, this place is called Visitor Village, and before you go on the walk, very long walk, it doesn't take a whole day. You can just go through a few turns and passes, and before you go, if you're hungry, there is a cafe, there is a restaurant, you can go to the bathroom when you need to. There's all the things you need before you need to go anywhere. And tell me in the comment section if you have already went there before I have and you've went through the different turns and passes, and tell me your experience if you ever have went here. I want to tell you a special thing, but before I say that special thing, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment and subscribe and share. That I would really be appreciated if you did that. And now I'll tell you the really exciting thing. That crazy thing is that you can come here 1 month. So like one day you can see greenery, one day you can see all the bugs, so one day you can see the mushrooms, one day you can see the birds, one day you can see the swans. It's so nice. You can come here on different months and it might be snowy, it might be greenery, you never know. Don't skip the video cause I'm going to show you a pretty house that we found when we were walking. And if you skip the video, you'll miss all the beautiful stuff that was happening. You might not be able to see everything we're doing, but we try to show you, and this is how much we have made so far. Okay guys, see you and enjoy!
doesn't it? And on the other side, you can see grass, and you can see all the trees have no leaves because it's winter. As you can see, I just climbed that mountain and we had a very long walk. It was so fun walk. We had loads of fun walking, we talked, all that. And we just came back and now we're going a different way.
Thanks for watching. Bye, my dear friends.